Welcome to this expander system tutorial. I am Jonny Wiberg and I work as an engineer at Expander System in Sweden. I will tell you about how a pivot works, the design of an original straight pin, and of course about the expander system. I will also inform you about the wear in lugs in general. Actually, all pieces of machinery got wear problems. No matter the greasing habits, sooner or later the lugs will be worn and they need to be restored to the original diameter and the original tolerance. Traditional methods are time-consuming, costly, and only temporary. The expander system offers a permanent solution that is much easier and much smarter. But let's start from the beginning. What is a pivot? Why do the lug get worn? How does the straight pin work and how is it designed? And how come expander system can solve the lug wear problem once and for all?